I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is literally so hot. That's why I'm making my favorite mango lassi. This mango is from our own mango tree, and that's what makes it so much more special. I know these are very simple things. I've seen mango trees in our childhood, and it's like that nostalgic childhood memory. But there is something so special about eating something from your own garden. And yeah, this is the mango lassi. It was literally so good. I just used some ice, curd, and the mango. That's it. Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. I'm really happy that you guys are loving my vlogs and you guys are so sweet. Some of you actually are personally texting me that how you feel about my vlogs, and it just makes me so happy. You have no idea, because I put a lot of efforts in my vlogs and I try to make it more interesting, I try to make it more relaxing, and I don't want to keep anything fake in my vlogs. Everything you see is raw, real. My kitchen is messy, it's untidy. Sometimes you will see the messy parts, sometimes you will see the aesthetic parts. It is what it is, and it is so beautiful, I guess, because the raw things that you see always makes it more special rather than always making it super aesthetically pleasing. My hair is looking very weird right now because I'm about to film few videos. I don't know why whenever I film videos I always try to make a sleek hair style, and it looks good on my reels, but whenever I switch on my Osmo I just look like an egg, like a big egg. So yesterday I actually went out for dinner, and like a family dinner, and it was fun. It was really nice. After a long time we went to Peter Who, and if you are from Kolkata you know Peter Who. It's in Park Street and it's really nice. I'm trying to upload a new video and to upload this one for my reels. So I just now finished my editing and now I'm gonna finish uploading it, and I have to also link all the products. Just going to do this right.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, you're going, I'm going too. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
So I actually ordered a light for my bedroom, and this is from this brand called FLYNGO. So I actually saw their website and I just thought of randomly searching it again on Amazon, and I actually got a great deal. So for this light particularly, I wanted something which will give you not like a fairy light vibe, but it will be more like a very diffused type of a light, and it's exactly what I was looking for. It gives you that sky lantern type of a finish, and this is the finished look. I'm literally so obsessed with this. I'm in love. And also, if you guys remembered, if you guys have seen my last vlog, you guys know the broken glass jar packaging that came from Amazon. So I actually placed a return, like an exchange return, and they gave me a size bigger, but I was looking for a smaller jar, but it's fine. I'm gonna keep this because I'm gonna store my tea. I have a lot of herbal teas, so I'm gonna store my teas here. It's like literally so big, but I'm happy it's not broken and it's really a good quality. So I will link it for you. If you want, you can definitely go for it.
I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. My breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing.